because when I first started coming to uni, it was really important for me to get engaged in a church and meet new people and meet new Christians in order to get involved with the church community in my new city. Student Link Up really helped me to find a wide range of different churches that I could get involved with and get to choose a church that was really specifically good for me. University life is a constantly changing culture, and to have a stable church that will help you and focus you and keep you having a home life, it's really supported me throughout my university years. Support Miriam as a crocodile. She is going to dress up as a crocodile for a week. And to raise money for Student Link Up. To get more churches to get involved with students and to know about Student Link Up. Who are ready to go to university, involved with Student Link Up and involved with everything that Fusion does to help students.